When you plan to travel in El Nido, one of the first challenges is choosing where to stay. The town offers everything from budget hostels to boutique resorts, but the key is balancing location, vibe, and amenities. Backpackers often look for hostels that make it easy to meet people. In El Nido, staying close to the town center means easy access to restaurants, bars, and tour offices for island hopping adventures. Finding a place to stay in El Nido can be tricky, but if you're looking for a mix of comfort, affordability, and community, Friends Hostel is a standout choice for every traveler. Trying new things in life is scary, but you will never know who you are unless you try. That is why I chose to travel to challenge myself, to escape from loneliness, to expand my perspective, and appreciate the beauty of life. My name is Lito Hakosa and I am your biyaherong manok. Welcome to Friends Hostel, right in the heart of El Nido town. This place has quickly become one of the most popular hostels in Palawan, and it's easy to see why. First off, the location is unbeatable. You're just a short walk from the beach, restaurants, and all the island hopping tour offices. That means less time commuting and more time exploring. But the real highlight, the rooftop pool. It's the perfect spot to cool off after a day of adventure. And when the sun sets, the views over El Nido are absolutely stunning. Alright guys, dito wala pang katao-tao. Ito yung infinity pool ng Friends Hostel at sobrang ganda dito. Mas maganda siguro to kapag may mga naliligo na, ganon. So ngayon, solong-solo ko yung view. Ganyan, ganito siya. Tapos makikita natin yung, ayun, yung bundok na yon na pinaka kilalang background kapag nandito ka sa El Nido. Alright, so nandito na kami sa accommodation namin, which is Friends Hostel, at aakyat kami. Sir, kasi may mga buhangin kasi. Barefoot zone kasi siya, pero madaming buhangin yung hagdanan. Ay, okay lang kahit dalhin ano. Okay lang po, naka-ano kami. Okay lang daw, tara. Ayan, so papunta na kami papasok na kami sa accommodation namin, which is anong room po? 508. Hi po. Hi sir, thank you so much for your assistance. Thank you din po. And this is our accommodation. And let's see, tingnan natin. Oops. Ay, ito na. Yan.
Enjoy your stay po.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. So let me just close the door. Ayan.
Tangina mo ako, sabi mo kay Jeff, punta tayo dito. Di ang good job ko. Kuha naman magandang picture sa video bukas
Sige. And so ito yung accommodation namin. May aircon. Dito ako hihiga. Dito sila kasi dalawa sila. So, ayan, beach view.
So nice.
Mi, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng nakuha mong accommodation natin dito. Beachfront talaga. Ayun no, beachfront yung accommodation namin, guys. Yan. Wow. How much to me? Di ba 7.9? 7.5 for 2 nights. So 7.5 siya guys for 2 nights. Ayun no, tas ano tayo doon sa baba?
Yes.
Tatambay sa baba. So, ayan no, ganun. Yan. Grabe hanep. Ang ganda ng accommodation namin. Guys, ang ganda ng accommodation namin. Alright, so nandito tayo sa baba. Ayan, tignan nyo oh. Grabe, hanep. Ang ganda ng view oh. Wow! Wow! Every day, every night, praise the Lord. Ganyan. Oh, wow! Ganyan, grabe kapayapa na dito no kapag kapag ganitong oras. Busy kasi ang lahat, nasa tour na. So kami, nandito pa kami sa El Nido Town. So that's our accommodation. Wow! Ganda oh. Dito pa ba yung Guys, so yung phone ko nawawala pero sinubukan pa namang tawagin. Nagre-ring pa naman. But I have this feeling na naiwan ko siya doon sa sa infinity pool ng Friends Hotel. Naka-charge siya. Tignan natin. Kasi pinaring ko, nagre-ring pa naman. Pero balikan ko siya. Hello po. Subukan ko siyang tignan dito sa taas. Ito yung Friends Hotel. Ganda, di ba? Oops. Ay, sorry po. Ayan o. Ganda niya. Ito yung main building ng Friends Hostel. Hostel pala, hindi hotel. Sana buhay pa. Nagre-ring pa naman eh. Oh my God! Andito yung phone ko. Ayan. Putis. Naiwan ko siya. Ayan. Tingnan mo. Wow, ganda ng view talaga. Grabe. Wow. Friends Hostel is all about community. They host daily events, food specials, and rooftop gatherings. So it's super easy to meet fellow travelers. Whether you're solo backpacking or traveling with friends, this is the kind of place where connections happen naturally. So, if you're looking for a stay that combines affordability, comfort, and a social vibe, Friends Hostel is more than just a bed. It's an experience. And this is where your El Nido adventure really begins.